Hello, my name is Mr. Leach. You can call me Larry, the reformed scam artist. I'm here today to teach you how to avoid being scammed. Okay, on with today's lesson. I like to call this one the fake plumber scam. Oh, this is a big one, as it is so sneaky and effective that homeowners don't even know they have been scammed most of the time. Now, listen up. This is how it works. You go on the internet to find a local plumber. Oh boy, there are lots of them. In Washington state, a plumber has to have a license. But anybody can advertise plumbing without having a license by just registering as a contractor here. So you have to trust that the advertiser is actually sending out a licensed plumber to your home. Yep, guess what? Most of the time, the guy isn't a licensed plumber. Have you noticed that virtually every router company is now advertising plumbing? Drain cleaning technicians are not plumbers. A plumber can clean a drain, but a drain cleaner can't do plumbing work legally. A real journeyman plumber has 8,000 hours of certified training and has a license in his pocket to prove it. You can't tell from the website if the guy ringing your doorbell is a real plumber or not. So what can you do? Simply ask to see the plumber license that every licensed plumber is required to have in his pocket while doing any plumbing work. If he doesn't have one, throw the bum out and file a licensing and/or fraud complaint. You will be glad you did. You will save yourself a lot of grief and a lot of money too. Ciao.